Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I will guide you through the Tidio WhatsApp integration in year 2025. And if you're looking to connect WhatsApp with Tidio to manage customer messages in one place and automate responses, so this video is for you. So of course, what is Tidio and why integrate with WhatsApp? So here guys, this website is a powerful live chat and chatbot, so a platform for customer support and sales. So by integrating it with WhatsApp, you can centralize messaging, so manage WhatsApp chat inside Tidio. You can automate responses, so you can use chatbots to handle common queries. So you can also increase engagement here, wherein you can improve customers' interaction with a seamless experience. So what you need to do here guys is to have an account. So before setting up the integration guys, make sure you have a premium plan, so because the WhatsApp integration is not available on the free plan guys. So if you don't have a WhatsApp business API, check the description for a setup guide. So here, to connect WhatsApp to the Tidio, log in to the Tidio dashboard. Here you'll be able to see there a settings and then look for the channel. So here, as you can see here guys, so this is a WhatsApp integration here. So here you can handle your WhatsApp conversation directly into this website's inbox and quickly answer your customer's question. So less distraction with switching platforms, more productivity. Here you can have direct message, so respond to all messages from customers. Group chat and calls are not available yet. You can also have reply window, so you have 24 hours to reply to messages from your customers. And then here, you just need to tap on this blue button, which is the integrate WhatsApp. And here guys, they will have these steps. You just need to follow this one. So before you start, you should prepare a few elements that are required to integrate with WhatsApp. So don't worry. So they created a list of tips that guides you step by step. So the first one guys is what you need is to access to Facebook Business Manager. So on integrating with this, you need to have your Facebook account and then a phone number for WhatsApp. And then here, access to Facebook Business Manager. So to initiate the process guys, you will be required to log into your Facebook account and have access to your company's Facebook Business Manager. So without a proper account, it's not possible to integrate with the WhatsApp guys. But don't worry guys, if you don't have a Facebook, you can create one. And here, the very important part is phone number for WhatsApp. So once you've successfully logged in, you will be required to provide a phone number for your WhatsApp channel that meets the following specifications. So the phone number you provide must be registered under your company's name. And then here, you can tap on this one. So you can skip tips and start integration guys. So when proceeding, it is necessary for you to have this one. So these details of your business and legal address. So during the integration process, it is important to have the following information available during the process guys. So name of your company, which will be visible to the customers you engage in conversations with, legal business name of your company, and an official address of your company. So there, you can test escalation guys, so live agent if needed. So as you can see here, so if you're done guys, you can now start integration with this if you have all of these steps. So here, you just need to log into your Facebook account here. So if you don't have one, you can create. And that's it guys. If you're done, you can now create it, and that's how you set up Tidio WhatsApp integration in 2025. These tools help automate messages, centralize chat, and improve response times.